it's a new day and my day one in Mumbai, and I've brushed my teeth, had my breakfast. So now I'm just gonna quickly go have a shower and get dressed to go out. So today I am going to. Okay, so today I am going to Boisar, that is just like 2 minutes away from the place I'm staying, and they said like there is a small market, and also I'll be going there and exploring, and I'll take you all with me. So hey guys, it's like around 3 o'clock right now, and we are going out to Rome. So sunscreen is a must. You might forget anything else, but do not forget your sunscreen, or else you will grow old really soon. My way of getting ready is very rough, so do not judge me, guys. I need to be very quick because we are already running late. Done. I think yes. Good. This is my favorite lipstick, guys. I don't know if I should go with this earring or this. I think I'll go with this one only. Let me give you a quick speed check. So wait a minute. How can I literally forget my best friend? I mean, the second best friend. First best friend is my tote bag. So second is my blush. I cannot go out without this. So I'm quickly applying. Yep, I look like a tomato now. Done. It's done. So before going out, I'm carrying this tote bag with me. It's so cute. It has two pockets inside, I mean outside, and even inside. And I'm carrying this because I'll be shopping a lot of clothes. So hey guys, we reached in the market, and there is an engagement soon to be in my family. So we are shopping for the engagement. The theme is blue, so we are looking for something blue at every shop we can go, and right now we are at this place. So let's see what I get here. बघायला पाहिजे फक्त कसं. Nothing good to show around, and I'm wearing mask because I'm allergic to dust, and the amount of dust around here is like literally too much. I just couldn't tolerate it, and I was getting constant cough. So yeah, I'm wearing the mask, and like there is no good street shopping to show you all, so I didn't even go to ask any price and all. So now I'm roaming shop by shop to look around. So guys, I like this one piece. It is like very aesthetic to be seen, and the price is like 3,000 plus, so it's not worth it. So guys, this is one sari which I like. Like, yeah, it's nice, but I don't know if it's screaming Suhani or not. So hey guys, to take a burger I had to buy a coupon. So here is the burger I like. खाने में. Ooh, this is my burger I'm gonna have now. It is not that good, it's just average, but you have to finish it anyway. It is so fucking spicy. Nom nom nom. I'm literally crying, guys. I had the most spiciest pani puri ever. Uh, So guys, there was no luck finding anything today. So next I'm gonna go to D-Mart. So let's see what I get there. Guys, we had went back home to get freshen up because we were really tired, and now we are going to D-Mart.
I am also coming in this video.
She's also coming with me to D-Mart.
I am also coming. I am also coming. I am also coming.
So now we are at D-Mart, and I love stationery stuff. So here I am. I picked up a file and a book. This is the book I picked up, and this is the file. And not to forget my favorite Lotti Choco Pie. So let's see what else I get.
Yeah, आमचे ट्रॉलिंग
Beep,
करता
beep,
है.
beep, 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 beep,
यो आमचे ट्रॉलिंग करता.
So guys, my mom did not let me buy the baby blanket, so I got one, the adult one for me, and it is so fucking soft. Oh my god. And I'm gonna have a good night tonight. Like I'm gonna go home, and like I can't wait to go home and sleep first of all. So let's explore the clothes section now. My train is going apart. So hey guys, I was banned from finish. No minute. So hey guys, I was banned from filming in the mall. So these are the things I got. I'll give you a quick haul when I'm home. So bye for now. I'm going to do the billing. So hey guys, we are home from the D-Mart, and like there were so many things I liked, but we have to go home and there will be many bags. So I just brought the few things I liked. So first thing, this is like so soft, so soft. I could sleep all day long on this. So this is the bedsheet I got for 500 rupees. And this is a bowl. This was for like 55 rupees. Yeah, this is for 55 rupees. Next is this small bowl. Like it's a boat shaped bowl. And this is so cute. Like just see it. I got it for 21 rupees here. This is Lotti Choco Pie. Yeah, this is my favorite. I would eat the entire box just right now. So guys, next up we have this Nivea lip balm, and I got this for my friend, and even I got one for myself because besties twin. Like let me show you mine. It's in the pocket. Yeah, I got the strawberry one, and she got the pomegranate one. Pomo and strawberry, cute. Okay, next up we have this file because I have so many papers in the house, and I got this for 19 rupees. And in that you can see the diaries. So even I got one for myself, and all us chiller party got one for each. One for each of them, and it cost us like 25 rupees one. So last but not the least, I have this Pudina chips, and these chips are to die for. I would eat it all day long, but one thing is I eat this with rice. Yes, with rice instead of potato, like the fried potato. If you will give me this, I'll rather eat this than fried potatoes. So yeah, that's it. That was my D-Mart haul, and right now I have to end the vlog of day 1 in Mumbai. And yeah, see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be going to I think Crawford Market, Colaba, and all those places, which is like 2 hours away from here. So yeah, I'll be taking the morning train. I have to sleep early, I have to get up early. So yeah, that's it for today. So bye. Do like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever it is. Just do it, guys, please. It will mean a lot to me because this is my first time doing it. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Much love.